Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Verlinda from Make Money Online. Before that, we are going to my topic. Kindly click subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. If you have a time, kindly visit all my videos below on how to making money online. And visit also my social media above my videos like Twitter, Facebook, another website, and Pinterest. Thank you. Okay guys, we are talking about unlimited typing Captcha, free XRP, instant withdrawal, DROPZ. We are here at Google for searching cryptomens. What is Ripple cryptocurrency? Ripple is a technology that acts as both a cryptocurrency and digital payment network for financial transactions. The coin for the cryptocurrency is premined and labeled XRP. Okay guys, we are here on DROPZ page on how to register this unlimited typing Captcha or free XRP. You can register here your email, putting your email address, your password, confirm password, and then Captcha. You can putting this inside of the box and click sign up. And now guys, we are going to sign in my account on DROPZ. Dito, my password. Sign in. Success. Proceed. And then this is my dashboard on DROPZ. This is my account information, my email address, and referral link. If I can post or share my link, share your link to get 10% referral commissions. Once they started solving Captcha, you will be credited with a 10% commissions on every correctly solved Captcha. I have earned total DROPZ 6,276 already. And this is my XRP wallet from my Binance account. And this is all my dashboard. And now we are going to Captcha. And now guys, this is the Captcha that you can typing or type this letter inside the box. Before that, I have already 209 total payout to my directly to my account on Binance for my XRP wallet. And then I have already 3,362 total solved Captcha. For today, I have 94 total solved Captcha. And now guys, we are type this letter. All of this is a small letter. M-O-O-W-B WB and then submit. Okay guys, I have already payout sended every 30 drops. You can instant withdraw to your XRP wallet. Okay guys, what XRP wallets are supported by DROPZ? You can using the XRP wallets, Endodax, Coins.ph, Finance, or etc. that you have already XRP wallet. And now, how to get your XRP wallet? For myself, I'm getting my XRP wallet from my account on Binance.com. This is my dashboard on Binance. Click this deposit and I search XRP or Ripple wallets, and now you can see this is your or my XRP wallet that I can copy address this, and then going to my dashboard, change wallet. Kindly follow the instruction only. You can put this, but I don't put already because I have already my XRP wallet to my account from Binance account. And click this is your XRP wallet, and then next, and then this is you need to XRP deposit tag. You can copy tag this also, and then you can putting this also for deposit tag. Kindly follow the instruction only. You can putting this change wallet. Okay guys, all you have to do here on DROPZ, putting this letter inside the box, and you will be reaching 30 drops, will be automatically instant withdraw. And now we are typing again this letter, EEBS OTOBN GGRI BBM FMT and this is with pending drafts. I have already 6,306 paid drafts. Until I will be reaching 30 drafts, this is automatically instant withdraw. And now this is my total solved Captcha, and then this is unlimited typing Captcha. Okay guys, this is my Binance account that I receiving already from my DROPZ account withdraw. I have already total balance 953,700 XRP. This is my recent deposit history completed. XRP amount of 30 drops, all of these 30 drops. And then back to my DROPZ account. DROPZ account, this is a legit on how to get free XRP cryptocurrency. If you have interested guys, kindly click my description below of my video and you can register to my affiliate link, and thank you. Okay guys, this is all about my video, and don't forget to press the subscribe button for my updates about all the latest video of our channel, and press the bell icon and never miss a single notification from us. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.